Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. I want to say to you, please relax. Stop worrying about your shortcomings. Stop worrying about your sin. Stop trying to stop sinning. What the flip, Johan? What are you talking about? I said, that's the problem. We have this idea, we come to Jesus, or this Jesus moment, what do you want to call it? And then we just had to suddenly be the super Christians that I don't sin. And you got this, suddenly you have this, get this awakening that I just should just, everything just fall off. Now, get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Some people automatically stop with certain things in life. I get it. But there's still things that what people preach is this Christian still sinning, and they're still sinning, but they stop sinning in whatever. If you could stop sinning yourself, then what would be the purpose of Jesus? I don't hate that word sinning. I prefer mistakes. So what am I saying, Johan? What are you saying, Johan? Well, let me explain to you. When you start letting go and start not worrying about your sin, your shortcomings, those things will fall off. What are you saying? It says because that sin that you have, it's not your problem. Hear what I'm saying? It is not your problem, that sin that you have. It is His problem. Because He took away the sins of the world, not you. He took your sins away, not you. Okay? So I want you to understand that. But people have this wrong idea. What do you mean, Johan? Let me explain to you. Say, but Johan, you must understand, you have responsibility, whatever. No, He took up the responsibility, not me. So when I let go of these things, then those things will fall off. In other words, Paul said, oh, wretched man that I am. The things that I want to do, I don't do. The things I ought to do, I still don't do. You know? And I find there's a different law among members. Who will deliver me from this body of death? Thanks be to Jesus Christ. Who will deliver? Jesus. You know? Love covers a multitude of sins. In other words, what am I saying? I say, Johan, well, what must I do? Let me explain to you. Just give it to the Lord. Don't make a fuss about your habits or addiction stuff. The more you make it a problem, the more it will become a problem. Let it go. Lord, here I am. And start living your life. Because you're so focused on not doing it that you're doing it. Whatever you focus on, you'll steer towards. Stop focusing on your shortcomings. Stop focusing on your sin. That's why it gets bigger. I mustn't do it. It's all in your mind. And it becomes, because whatever you go, it becomes more. When you just let it go, you won't even think about those things anymore. It will just fall off. Don't give attention to it. You are free. You are free from sin, sickness, disease, death, and poverty. I'm declared over you. Relax. Enjoy life. Don't make your sin an issue. It's not your issue, it's His issue. And when you start giving it and letting it go, things will change for you. You see, things will fall off. Love you. Like, subscribe, comment. Bless you to the full till it overflows. Bye-bye.